welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I have done a hair video, but I have had so many wonderful things going on. If you've been following me on any of my other social handles, you know that I recently just dropped a self-help workbook. I'll drop that link below too if you want to check that out. But I know most of you are probably here for the do. Okay, so this is probably one of my favorite styles because since going bald, I've been able to create a style where I don't have to be bald. So when days when I kind of want to have hair, I want to jazz it up a little bit and kind of get my old look back, this is the go-to, girl, okay? This ponytail was $9.99. Does not get no better than that. So if you want to see how I achieved this faux low puff style for under $10, keep watching. So here's the things that you're going to need. Leave-in conditioner, any type of gel, a pick, a comb, and a brush. We're going to start off by just picking this hair out. I'm starting on freshly washed hair, so it was easier for me to pick. You can do it on dry hair, but my hair is easier to manipulate when it is wet. So I'm going to go ahead and just pick my whole hair out until it is nice and froey. I'm going to then follow up with a little bit of leave-in conditioner. Not too much, because too much leave-in conditioner will bring my hair back to its natural curly state, and we don't want those problems. Then you're going to want to follow up with a gel. I like Eco Styler gel because it's not as heavy on my hair, but still gives me that great hold. Depending on the thickness of your hair and the length of your hair, you might have to go at it at sections. For me, I just kind of do the front first so that I can part it in the direction that I want it. You can have it go straight back, you can have it part on the side, however you want, but I like to set it how I like in the front, and then I go from the back and work my way up to kind of get it saturated with the gel. I try to start with less gel, that way as I'm molding it and brushing it, I can see how much I actually need. So right here you're just going to see me saturating it all to get it all fully covered with the gel. So you were seeing me add more gel as needed so that I can brush it into the back of my head. As you see, my hair is not long, so you know I have to push it kind of into the position of a ponytail to get all the hair in one area. If your hair, of course, does fit into a ponytail, this is where you would go ahead and put it back into a ponytail. But if it does not, you just want to make sure that you're pushing it far enough down that your hair piece will actually cover it. Once you get it to a desired, lay down, and you want to, if you want, you want to hit them baby hairs, because ridiculous. I'm absolutely ridiculous. But just look at that. I just love it. Some people prefer to not do baby hairs, but I just think it makes the style look a little more dramatic, which makes me love it, of course. But I'm just going to go ahead and lay those baby hairs down so that we can get it, really neat for myself. This next part is completely optional. Of course, like I said, the baby hairs are optional. But for the front of your hair, you might still want to use these wraps that I use. They are just like barber wraps or salon wraps that they use. And I used to do like them all over my whole head when I would do styles like this, but then I realized that I really didn't have to. I do put it down though for like the front of my hair so that it can really dry and have that stiffness for me so it doesn't move. And then really I just tie on a scarf and let it dry overnight. Since I am bald head, it does not take a long time for my hair to dry like it used to. But if you want to use heat, by all means, do whatever, floats your boat. It is now the next day and it is dry. Not entirely picky as to what the back looks like, but it's pretty molded, it's pretty secure, so it has everything there that we need it to have. Here is the ponytail piece that I'm deciding to use.
It has a regular drawstring ponytail, and as you see, the drawstring is on the bottom, so what you want to do is tuck it in, especially if you don't have the ponytail of your own to wrap it around. So I just kind of tuck it in, that way when I clip it, it's not hanging down. But if you can't get it to tuck, of course, you can just bobby pin it. So I'm going to secure that one hook on the top and then on the bottom. So right now it is already in, but I am going to go ahead with some bobby pins to just make sure that it's secured really tightly, because you never want, your ponytail to fall off. Now, as you see, I'm doing it in a horizontal motion. Your hair has been slicked down, and especially if you don't have that ponytail for it to hold on to, girl, we want to make sure them bobby pins is in there nice and secure. So you want to put them in horizontally across your hair through the piece. That way more of your hair is grabbing that bobby pin so that you'll get that really tight, secure hold of your ponytail. But that's pretty much it. Just watch as I do this, and it's pretty much a wrap. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For everyone else, happy holidays, and I hope that this video helps you feel super fly even when you're bald headed.